Today we're going to go over how to unbox your brand new X-431 throttle. This is a brand new case right here, so let's go. That's how the kit comes. So this will be your throttle in here. This would be your docking station in here. And these are your OBD1 connectors here. We're going to put the docking station away because we don't need it. I'll leave that there. And we're going to open up the box for the throttle. And here comes your throttle, your charge cable, your wall charger, your extension cable, and your Bluetooth. And if you need your pen, it's right in here. So since we're out, I'm going to go ahead and go into the tablet. So you just take it out of the box, you're going to power it on. Okay, so the first thing we got to do is connect it to Wi-Fi. So find your Wi-Fi. We're already connected. So we'll go ahead and go back. Hit the little arrow right here. And then hit email. And then once you set up your email, put in your email address. Your password. So now you've set up your email. So go ahead and go to next. And there you have it. Your email is now set up. So today we're going to go over the how to retrieve your username. Let's say you forgot your username on your throttle. So go to settings, and then you're going to go to profile. You have to log in. And once you're logged in, go to profile. And your username is right here. So let's say you forgot your password. You're going to go into here. You're going to go into login, retrieve password, put in your serial number, get retrieve verification code. And it tells you that it's been sent to this email right here. So retrieve your verification code, put in your new password there, and away you go. So thanks for watching. We've showed you the unboxing of your new throttle, how to change your password, and retrieve your username. If you require any more assistance, please call us at the 800 number that comes in your paperwork. Thank you for watching, and look for more launch videos to come.